Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to actually get started with Course Creator 360. So if you haven't started with Course Creator 360 just yet, I invite you to actually sign up down below in the description with a free 30-day trial using the link. So I come from a standpoint of using Kajabi, Thinkific, Teachable, and Course Creator 360 has been my absolute favorite. It's what I've been using for the past 3 years, and I've actually been able to exit out of one of my businesses that were hosted on Course Creator 360. Let's actually jump into my screen. Now with Course Creator 360, this is what your dashboard is going to look like when you first sign up. Now, as far as how to get started, I can go through a walkthrough of each of these tabs here on the left-hand side, showing you what conversations are, calendars, opportunities, payments, marketing, automation, sites. But what does an even better job is actually this 14-day bootcamp here. If you click on this 14-day bootcamp, Course Creator 360 actually offers a series of walkthrough videos that teach you how to actually set up Course Creator 360 for your business. So on day 1, you can connect your domain. Day 2, connect your payment processor. Day 3, create your first product/price point. Day 7, customize your client portal. Day 10, create your first automation. Day 13, register for your phone number, and etc. So with Course Creator 360, getting started on it is extremely easy thanks to this 14-day bootcamp, which is a series of walkthrough videos. In addition to just getting started with Course Creator 360, they have support systems that are extremely good. So on this bottom right hand side, if you message here, you'll actually talk to a human. And so the problems that I've ever faced with Course Creator 360, when I ask for help here, they tend to reply with a Loom video, which just makes answering the problem so much easier through video instead of text. So support has been absolutely phenomenal. I absolutely love the support when it comes to Course Creator 360 using this little chat widget down here on the right hand side. And that, in addition to the series of videos, the walkthrough videos here, just make it very easy for beginners to even get started with Course Creator 360 as well. You've got the all-in-one platform, you've got the customer support, you've got the walkthrough videos. I think they also, they give you even templates as well to get started. So with these templates, if you're not trying to start from the ground up, which is something I don't recommend doing unless you're trying to be like really savvy or become an expert funnel builder or website builder, why not just like quicken or speed up the learning curve and just start with a template. So here's a 6-day launch sequence pack, which includes 1 funnel, 7 email templates, 1 automation, and 1 form template. Here's a 50 proven page sections template. Here's a A2P registration pack template. So with these templates, it just speeds up the building process that you don't really need to learn the technicalities of. So that's something I really love about Course Creator 360, where they include these templates, and it's been absolutely phenomenal as far as using already proven templates on other landing pages like this landing page here, and then applying it to my own business so that I don't have to start from the ground up. Just saves me a lot of time. If you're wondering on how to get started with Course Creator 360, I can assure you that they have a lot of resources, a lot of templates, and even this 14-day bootcamp to help you get started and up and running. But with that being said, again, if you haven't signed up for it just yet, you can use my link down below in the description to get a free 30-day trial. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video.